Okay. Again, this is same day. As you can see, still have the same stuff. Haven't moved from the spot. But I want to show you the oops. Brain took a shit. Oh, color. Color. Let's do some color videos. Another color video. I thought I was done with color, but boy was I wrong. I want to say, if you haven't subscribed, you can do that if you want to. It'll help me out so I can keep making these stupid videos if you care to. I mean, again, my videos are boring. I'm not here to entertain you. I'm just here to teach you some stuff. You want to learn? You're in the right place. If you don't want to learn, you might want to watch somebody else's channel. All right, now here we go. This is about color. I've been saying it. Let me say it again. And I made a couple of videos already about color, and I thought I was done with color. Hopefully this time I'm done with color. Hopefully. Everything sounds good in theory till you find out it ain't so correct. So I printed a bunch of stuff and I thought I dialed in the color just right. Yeah, I was wrong. I was dead wrong. Not just wrong, I was dead wrong. Look at this thing. Let me start with Johnny Bravo. Mr. Bravo. Anybody remember this cartoon? One of the best cartoons out there. I forgot what he said. Something. He sounded like Elvis. Pretty cool dude. If you never watched Johnny Bravo, find Cartoon Network, whatever, wherever it is, you need to find it. Watch Johnny Bravo. Johnny Bravo is a cool dude. Now, this was my initial. When I say initial, this is no, I'm lying. This is not even my initial. This is from me playing with my printer for about almost a week. Okay, and I got these colors. The camera is not doing this any justice because when I'm looking at this thing is orange. All right, on my end it's actually orange. This is not even the right colors. All right, what you see in here is it's not the right colors. On the camera, the KISS camera is showing make the color look much nicer than it actually is. Okay, this is flipping orange. I'm gonna try to take a picture and post it like in here while I'm talking. Put them up side by side, and hopefully the camera will actually catch the right colors because this is not right on the camera. It looks like it's supposed to be, but it's actually orange. This Johnny Bravo is actually orange. All right. These colors are a lot brighter than they should be. Another thing too is because the DTF sheet, because it's still on the DTF sheet, I think that's why the colors are not coming through properly. It's the reflection inside the camera is making sure it's not the colors not showing correctly. These dudes right here, all right, oops, are also not even the right color. They're orange. They look correct. Again, the camera make these things look perfectly fine, but no, they're not right. This is orange. These guys are orange. Yeah, let me change the settings. Let me see if I can change the settings, see if it will get rid of the damn stupid wrong color. Hold on. Yeah, I can't get the colors to come out properly. I don't know what's going on, but it is whatever. I'll try to add a picture. I'll try to add a picture of the original and these together to see if you may hopefully it'll show the difference. But I don't know. It's not showing up right. But Johnny Bravo is orange. Just so you know, the dude is actually orange. Now, this. Holy shit, you can tell the difference already, right? I know I know you're not seeing the right color here, but that is what the color's supposed to be. Holy mess. When I told you that these colors, I thought I was done with colors, but holy shit, was I wrong. All right, this is more the green is supposed to be. That green is look a lot lighter and wrong. Look at all the, see how that's supposed to be a light blue? All these colors are correct. When I hold this up to my computer to show up all the colors, these colors are actually on the right side. These are not. All right, none of this is correct. That's darker than it's supposed to be. And when I say I sit down and I played with this thing for over a week, and this is the best I could get, I'm not playing with you. Okay, that's the best I could have gotten. All right, and then look at these things. See how look how the color transition from the green to the blue without any like distortions. Look at this one. All right, let me try to bring these over closer so you can see them. You see the color distortions? You don't even see it here. It just faded right in like it's supposed to. See that? No color distortions anywhere, but you can see it here. Right? That is what it's supposed to be. And I thought I was done with color. I really did. I thought, oh, dude, I got this. Boy, I'm telling you, when I say I'm wrong, I say I was wrong. I'm not playing I was wrong. Look at that. Look how Johnny Bravo looks nice over here. His pants is cut. Look at this. You see, he's supposed to be a fade in here. Where's the fade at? It's very dark. It's kind of like, it's there, but it's, of course, it's obvious it's there. But it's just blending in with his pants almost just about. Now you can actually see it here. But let's get rid of Johnny Bravo. Show you another one. This one's actually pretty cool. This one I can really see. This is also another one. Look at this. Look at this one. Again, these dudes are orange. All right. Very, very orange. That color is not actually the right color either. That's off a little bit. But I was sitting down and I played with this for weeks. I told you, to get these colors out of the printer. And I thought I was done. I thought, yes, these are the best I'm going to get. I can't get no better than this. I know that sounds wrong. Oh, boy, was I wrong. I know I won't keep repeating that until I can't say it anymore. But holy shit. I don't have to say it. You can see it. You can see the color difference. Okay, it is that flippin' obvious. Look at these dudes, man. Look at it. The browns are nice and brown. You have all the highlights in here properly. It kind of blends right in. I mean, it's not bad. But it just blends. Most of the colors are kind of just blended into one. They don't look right. That's kind of like a reddish. That's more pink like it's supposed to be. This looks like a green. This is more of a dirt brown. The grounds. Look at that. Okay. This is more like what this is actually more what the image on the computer looks like. This is wrong. See how that looks more brownish, grayness? It looks brown on here, but it's like green. This one's a dark gray. It's supposed to look like the ground is scorched. Duh. You know, there's fire on the ground. The ground's supposed to be scorched, but it don't look scorched here. All right. And this is what it's just amazing what I got out of that printer from just messing with the color a little bit more. But when people say the 8550, when people keep telling you, oh, 8550, 85, blah, 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 blah. When you can get stuff like this out of Epson 8550, okay, it makes me ask the question, why in your deity's name would I want to spend over $1,000 for a printer that already I can get for less than $1,000? Let me say this again. I can get the same quality out of a printer that's less than $1,000. Why would I want to pay over $1,000 to get the same exact size? That's a 13-inch print. There's 13-inch printers that are selling for over $1,000. Why would I pay over $1,000 for a 13-inch printer when there's already one that costs less than $1,000? And you get same, if not better quality. But I am going to work on like I said in the one of the videos I make, again, I don't remember when I make these. I'm making these videos all over the place, and half of them I probably haven't even posted yet. They're probably still sitting on my computer or the same exact camera I'm recording on right now. I told you before. Oh my goodness, my alarm's going off. Hold on. Yeah, I gotta take some medication because or I'm gonna be kicking my ass here soon. But again, come back right to my point. Why would I spend that kind of money for a printer when I can get the same thing done for less than $1,000? Yeah, I have to do some work, but when you buy that over $1,000 printer, don't you also have to do work to it? Just saying. This is where I made that video a while back saying if you're gonna buy a DTF printer, buy something that's over 16 inches. Anything under 13 inches, anything under 16 inches is a waste of money unless you're buying an 8550. There, I said it. You can take it however you want to, but as far as I'm concerned, the 8550 is perfect. For a 13-inch printer, it is absolutely perfect. You can use it for multiple different reasons. You can't go wrong with buying one. Yeah, they give problems. You tell me a printer that don't have problems. The printers over $1,000, they still break like all the other ones. You just got to put more work into the 8550 to get it up. My printer that I'm using right now, I've actually actively tried to break it. Yes, I said it. I actually tried to break it, and it still didn't break. Which means if you, because it's not Epson, these things weren't built to do. Let me say it again. It was never built to do what we're doing with it. It was never built to do DTF. And I'm exceptionally grateful for Epson, who still gave the build a printer. By no means Epson's perfect, but they were good enough to build a printer that's so flexible, and still building a printer that is so flexible that I cannot stop recommending it. It is still, to me, the best printer on the market. Hands down, for anything. Anything you want to do, you can buy the Epson 8550 and it will do it. And I still don't understand why Epson haven't made more of these printers. More of their printers like the Epson 8550. I think they'd sell a whole lot more printers if they actually do that. But hey, what do I know? I'm the guy that's sitting outside who absolutely don't know nothing. But you can see, proof is in the pudding. What I'd love to see Epson do is take the concept, take the 8550 and build it as big as the Epson P900. Yes. I'd love to see Epson take the 8550 and make a 16-inch printer out of it. Epson, I need 3 of them. Chop, chop. Oh, don't forget where you get the idea from. The Epson 8550, I need it in a 16-inch, and I need 3 of them. Thank you. I'm ready to go buy 3 of them, so just let me know when you build it, because I'm waiting in line. I'm at the head of the line. I need that printer. I need 3 of them. Thank you very much. All right. So for the rest of y'all, peace. Oh, P.S. The whole how to get your colors correct on a printer, I am gonna have to do that in a class. I like an online live thing, because if I try to do it myself without someone there, me trying to tell them how to do it, I'm gonna miss probably half of it. Yeah, I'm gonna probably miss half of it. So we'll have to do that in a class. All right.